So this is changing out the mass airflow sensor on a Ford F150. This happens to be the 4.6 liter. If you have a P0113 check engine code, it is likely this sensor. I would try to clean it first, and I will link a video I have on cleaning that at the end of this video. And I would also check the air filter to make sure that that is clean. We will take and loosen up this clamp here and remove this clamp on the air filter, and we'll go ahead and do that next. Next, what we'll do, now that we have this out of the way, is pry this open. And inside here is our mass airflow sensor. It comes with a new Venturi, and we'll just go ahead and remove that. To remove the wiring harness here on the very top, you can turn this now. You just push in on the very top here, and that'll release that. If you had just bought the sensor, you would have to take and remove these security bolts that are holding it on. This one came as a complete assembly. We're just going to go ahead and plug this in and bolt it back together to the front cover here, and we're ready to clear the engine code and take it for a test drive. You put this on, it only fits on one way because there is a tab on here that goes on that side there. And we'll just put this back on and bolt it back on. We'll simply snap this housing back in. Put it back on the ductwork, and we'll go ahead and put the air filter housing back together, and we're all set to clear the code.